Suffered from dust mite allergies, so I had it tested about 20 odd years ago, and found out that's what was causing all my symptoms. Breathlessness, asthma, itchy eyes, runny nose, sleeplessness, um, very tired all day because I hadn't slept through the night, redness and skin allergies as well, so quite severe. For years I actually didn't have any relief. I still was trying to keep my house clean and all those sort of things. And it wasn't until Dustroy that I actually found relief. So I sprayed my bedding and everything, and I could breathe again, and I could sleep again, and I slept through, and I didn't have itchy eyes as soon as I went to sleep and things like that. So it was great. As soon as I get that feeling, the itchy eyes and sneezing and that sort of thing, I know it's time to spray, and it's back. As soon as you spray it, you know it's working. You can feel it. Yeah, you can breathe again.